Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs and future business owners. Today, I'm diving into a topic that could change your life: how to start a profitable online business. Whether you're dreaming of financial independence or seeking a new career path, this video is for you. 1. Finding your niche. The first step in starting a profitable online business is finding your niche. It's crucial to identify a target market and specific problem or need you can address. 2. Market research. Once you've chosen your niche, conduct thorough market research. Understand your competitors, your potential customers, and market trends. 3. Business planning. Every successful business starts with a solid business plan. Outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections in detail. 4. Legal and financial considerations. Ensure your online business is legally compliant. This may include registering your business, obtaining licenses, and understanding tax obligations. 5. Website and online presence. Your website is your storefront in the online world. Invest in a professional, user-friendly website that reflects your brand. 6. Content strategy. Develop a content strategy to engage your target audience. Create valuable, relevant content to attract and retain customers. 7. Marketing and promotion. Invest in effective online marketing strategies such as SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing. 8. Monetization strategies. Explore different monetization strategies, such as selling products or services, affiliate marketing, or ad revenue. 9. Customer service and support. Exceptional customer service is key to building a loyal customer base. Make it a priority to address customer inquiries and issues promptly. 10. Scaling your business. As your online business grows, be prepared to scale operations. This may involve hiring employees, expanding product lines, or entering new markets. 11. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with industry trends and be willing to adapt your business strategies to changing market conditions. 12. Final thoughts and encouragement. Starting a profitable online business is a journey that requires dedication and persistence. Remember, success rarely happens overnight. Keep learning, stay motivated, and embrace the challenges along the way. There you have it, your step-by-step guide on how to start a profitable online business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more valuable content. Your entrepreneurial journey begins with a single step, and I can't wait to see where it takes you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.